Draw easy.
Hello, friends. Today I'm going to draw a cute flower. First, I will start by drawing a circle just like this. Then, I will add the petals to our flower. Our flower will have 5 beautiful petals. Now, it's time to draw the stem. A leaf to complete the drawing. Now that our drawing is ready, let's start coloring. I will use the vibrant colors of the rainbow. First, I will use yellow color. Then orange colored. Dark pink color. Purple color. Sky blue color. Parrot green color. Brown color for the stem. And light green color for the leaf. Our colorful flower is complete. See you in the next video for more fun drawings.